Want to earn passive income online? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a profitable niche website and use affiliate marketing to make money, step by step, from beginner to pro. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. You place special links on your website or content. When someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. A niche website is a site focused on a specific topic, like fitness for moms, tech gadgets, or gardening tools. You write helpful content, attract traffic, and place affiliate links naturally. The goal? Drive traffic that converts. Pick a niche that has demand, low competition, and monetization potential. Tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, and Answer the Public help you find ideas. Pick a niche that has demand, low competition, and monetization potential. Tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, and Answer the Public help you find ideas. Find low-competition keywords people are searching for. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or free ones like Google Keyword Planner. Buy a domain, get web hosting like Bluehost or Hostinger, and install WordPress. It takes less than 30 minutes. Use a fast, clean theme like Astra or GeneratePress. Install SEO plugins like RankMath or Yoast, and a caching plugin for speed. Alright, so here's the deal. Write blog posts targeting your keywords. Focus on solving problems and giving honest advice. And yeah, make sure to include affiliate links naturally. Next up, sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or niche-specific ones. You'll get your unique affiliate links and, well, add them to your content. Now let's talk about SEO and traffic. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords in titles, headers, and meta descriptions. Build backlinks and share your posts on social media and forums. Use Google Analytics and affiliate dashboards to track clicks and conversions, improve what's working, and remove what's not. Outsource content, build backlinks, and start additional niche sites. You can even sell sites for 30 to 40 times your monthly profit. Choosing too broad a niche, publishing low-quality content, spamming affiliate links, not focusing on SEO, giving up too early, it takes months, not days. Choosing too broad a niche, publishing low-quality content, spamming affiliate links, not focusing on SEO, and giving up too early, it takes months, not days. Once you get traffic, you can also earn from display ads like Ezoic and Mediavine, sponsored posts, selling your own digital products, and email marketing for recurring revenue. Affiliate marketing with niche websites is one of the best ways to build long-term passive income. Start small, stay consistent, and scale smart. Affiliate marketing with niche websites is one of the best ways to build long-term passive income. Start small, stay consistent, and scale smart. Want a complete checklist to get started? Comment checklist and I'll share it with you.